Hello. I've tried recording this video a few times. I thought I could use the different types of filters that my front-facing camera, I guess, has, but apparently it doesn't let me, like, pause and switch to the other filter. It's like, yeah, I was just playing around with it, but it's 8-something and I'm about to go to bed, and I'm doing this so I can still be in the Vlogmas run. This is day 21, and I've been surviving on cinnamon and lemon juice. Like cinnamon candies. They're not that good. It's like some generic ones. I need like the red wrapper ones. These are like a clear wrapper cinnamon, and they kind of suck. But that and some lemon juice, and that's what I've been surviving on. My voice is, I think, even worse today. I've been trying to talk a little bit today, but this is my filler. This is my filler episode, and I hope it's okay. I'm gonna get through this. I had a little bit of taste. I could taste something today. My tongue's raw from eating cinnamon candies and drinking lemon juice. Or lemonade, I guess you would call it. But yeah, whoa, I'm sorry. This is the video, and maybe I'll have more voice tomorrow. That'd be nice, huh? Alright, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Good night.